අද දිනය එළඹිලා මා සිහින ඉටු වෙලා ඔය දෑත මාහට හිමි වෙලා පැතුූ පැතුම් පුරා මේ ජීවිතේ මගේ නව පිටුවක් පෙරලිලා ඉන්නම් සදා ඔබේ ළඟින් ඔබේ තුරුලට වෙලා ගත්තා ඔබ හා ආදරෙන් පොරොන්දු වූවා ඔබ හට හදවතින් සිහිනයක් දැක්කා පෙරදින මා සිතින් ඒ සෑම දේ අද දින එළිවී ඉතින් මුළු ජීවිතේ ඔබ හා ළඟ වියමන් කරමි ඔබ හා ආදරෙන්
are so sorry for that. And thank you all who joined with us on today, even their pandemic time. Me and all of our family warmly welcome you. Therefore, we sincerely hope that everyone will get fun with all of us, the wedding. I just first want to say congratulations to my loving Aki and Aya. Ayandi, welcome to the family. Now we are not two families, right? I love both of you so much. Okay, so Aki, we called her Bobby, my Babina. You are the everything to me. Our family advisor, Tatis and family biggest strength is you. My second nominee, I never forget, we have so many fun, crazy memories together. We fought, we laughed, we cried together. Thank you for everything you have done for me, and I promise you that I will be there for you anytime. Aya, she is a gem for us. I'm sure you will look after her like we did. It is nature, but you are not going so far. I can't tolerate. Aya, you are really lucky to have a wise and kind wife like her. And I am so lucky to have the most funniest brother in the world. Ammi and Tati, lucky to have a son like you. And last but not least, I wish a bright future and happy wedded life. Not for today, but forever. May God bless and God luck all and enjoy, guys. Thank you.
I'm Shahara Fernando. I'm Chamodi Devshani. Himashi, today you look so beautiful, and today you are going to start a new chapter of your life, the first wedding of our gang. So let's start from the day we met you.
Himashi, hope you remember our A-level journey. First day, I didn't talk with her because she's a newcomer to the class.
But I talked with her because we are on the same boat. I'm also a newcomer.
Then 9 years later, we are happy to be with her.
And to witness marrying the man of your dreams. We want you to know that you are like a sister to both of us in our good and bad times.
In our school life and even now, we have studied, laughed together, and also hope you can remember our long hour gossip sessions. So Dinishaya, please let her continue the gossip sessions with us.
Himashi, we are really happy to have a best friend like you. She is very innocent, kind, supportive, and a lovely girl.
So that's what she wanted to hear from us, but you also know that's not the truth.
There was a girl who was grabbing her lunchbox and eating secretly when there's a teacher. That's you, Himashi. After that, we also followed her.
Himashi, can you remember how we did our A-level group project and how we bunked classes together? We had so many funful and unforgettable memories with you.
Even after A-levels, we are having a strong bond. Dinishaye, you know that how much you are lucky to have her as your wife.
So at last, we wish you both a happy married life. May the God guide you throughout your marriage life. Have a blessed and joyful family with chubby babies. Thank you.
देश तारकाहीन आसे पार किवा ससरे अतंतल्ला दुरागिवा विथोया माता दरे पाट हुआ हे तुमवा सतुटे हिंदलवा सैलन में सुसुम्पवा वसंते के नाम नामरी अनंते की याद रे मलक से भी प्रेम जीविते अपने याद रे कताने සිව්මැලියක කෝල දෑන නැවතිලා දරදනු හිත ආදරේක දැවටීලා
කලබල වෙන සෑම වේලේ හද පාරා ඔය පපුවට ආදරේද තව ඕනා
දැත් යාවෙනාදාට සරසා මාල පළඳා නූරේ ඇස් දල්වා බලන්න ආදරේ කියා
කුමරුමාගේ පැතුම් පිරූහිනේ හිතට භාවනාව වගේ වෙසිනේ
වසන්තේ के नाम नामरी अनंते की याद रे मलक से भी प्रेम जीविते
ඊලන්දාරියෝ බෙලඟමානි වේ
अपने याद रे कतावने
මලකුත් තිබුණා හැඟුමන් හංගා එය හඳුනාගත් පඹරෙකු රිංගා
වැකුළු උයනේ දොරගුළු බින්දා ප්‍රේම රසයි රසයි රසින් හඳා
මලකුත් තිබුණා හැඟුමන් හංගා එය හඳුනාගත් පඹරෙකු රිංගා
වැකුළු උයනේ දොරගුළු බින්දා ප්‍රේම රසයි රසයි රසින් හඳා Nebununu enamudunuru wata amayuru
mana tola pirunu lura saramusu
Salum bindulu hadavat yekalu premaya sonduru dasate pauru rasin handa No dani hangonat no hangi imu api adavi
senihan pili hanguman nitiri premaya rasa dasate
rasin handa
malakut tibuna hanguman hanga hanunakat pamberiku ringga
වැකුළු උයනේ දොරගුළු බින්දා ප්‍රේම රසයි රසයි රසින් හඳා